call me. Like he called me several times, and I missed the call. And this morning I talked to him, and he was like, "Hey Joe, man, I've been trying to reach you. I got a real project, man. I really need you to do some mobile help, man. We damaged one of these units. We need to cut this out, fix this, woo woo." And I said, "Hey, I'm on a contract right now, and the money I'm making, you know what I mean? I can't do what you need me to do until the weekend on my free time, because I'm getting paid good money. So I'm not going to push what I got going on off to help you." And one reason I said that because the few times I've helped him, I got paid, but it was always a little bullshit in it. You know what I mean? So I'm like, nah, I don't even want to deal with it. So he was like, "Okay, well, maybe I'm going to try to get someone else to do it." I said, "Hey, do what you can." He said, "So you said the weekend is the best you can do?" That's the best I can do, bro. I'm not bending over backwards to fix your issues. You got a problem? Go pay somebody full fucking price, and they'll fix it. That's what you got to do to these folks, man. You give them a good deal, you give them work ethics, you help them, and they say, "Oh, I don't know. But when they get in the bind, and they know you was the fucking truth, they gonna call you back, man. They gonna call you back every time. And that's what I deal with in the area of Phoenix. The work ethics here are fucking terrible. And then on top of that, a lot of people it's more fabricators here. I can't say that. It's more cats here that can fabricate than fabricating and installing or erecting. I mean, when it comes to thinking outside of the box and really doing something, that's where you get them at. You see what I'm saying? Because, it's more than just sitting in the shop in a controlled environment. Can you work, or can you do what you do in and outside of a controlled environment? That's how you be an asset. Hold on.